Hi everyone. So today I'm demoing ContentCrafter.ai. This is a AI content generation engine and a social media management agent that we had built. So I'll give you an idea of how it works. So firstly, we need to add a brand brief. So brand brief is basically about what the brand that is using this engine stands about, right? So I've added it to a Google Doc just for better clarity and understanding. So it tells us about that our brand speaks about tech that enables people, start with clean data, scale with confidence, keep it simple and real, no critique, story that drives change. So it has to be kind of a storytelling environment, right? And then the mission statement, vision statement, the target audience. So we target Salesforce partner in the US and Australia. What is the what are they looking for, and what we kind of deliver, what is the content discipline like, and things like that, right? So this brand brief is sent to our LLM, which is already trained on generating these kind of posts. So we have already trained the LLM, and this brand briefs on top of it helps it understand what the brand is about. And then in backend we have created three agents. One is the content ideation agent. The work of the content ideation agent is to generate ideas based on the brand brief, and the LLM that it is trained on, right? Then this ideation agent talks to the content creation agent, which kind of creates the content based on the ideation that this ideation agent does. The content is created by the content agent, and it passes it on to the manager agent. The role of the manager agent is to make sure that the content is not a negative post or it is not a negative blog, and it kind of resonates with the brand brief that we had shared, and it gives it a rating out of 0 to 10. Say it gives a rating of 7. So anything less than 8 is not accepted, and it goes into a self improvement loop where it kind of improves itself, and displays the posts that are only approved by the manager agent, and ignores the others, right? So let me click on craft content, and it'll start spitting out some posts. Here you go. Ignore this error for now, it is in development. So you see this says create a post about my personal journey from a traditional data management role to embracing AI and Salesforce, highlights challenges and victories. So it talks about an agency which is kind of moving from a traditional data management to a AI and a CRM or Salesforce journey, right? The next post talks about describe a day in the life of a home care provider using AI tools. So it kind of differentiates how how a home care provider with an AI agent is different from the one who is not using it. Why is it talking about AI agent and non-profits? Is because if you look at the brand brief here, right, we have specified that we work in these three sectors: real estate, non-profit, and home care. So it should definitely have another post coming up for real estate as well, right? So that's how it works. It spits out 10 posts at the moment, and then you can review it. You can simply click on this button which says copy. You can just copy it out and paste it. So yeah, that's how it works. So let me know in case you have any questions.